All right, everyone, welcome back. Looking at ACH. So, ACH, we're here on the weekly chart. I just wanted to see on the more macro perspective of what is going on with ACH here. Let's see how bearish this thing really is. So, you can see from the high to the low, we got up to the zero point 0.5. So, you're technically in the macro scale of things, you're still bearish until you get over the 6.3 area at the 618 here. So until ACH gets over 6.3, you're macro bearish. I would imagine that's your moon line also. So ACH in the long run over 6 pennies, it's going to go to the moon. So let's take that off of the chart there and get back to where we belong on the daily chart here. So here on the daily chart, from the last update, you could see we did end up losing that 2-2 level. So it just looks extremely bearish right now. We are getting a little pump here off of wherever we are here. We did end up dropping, but we did not actually drop all the way down to 1.4 at the 618, but we did drop 28% on that candle there. So you could see I did draw on the chart, making a lower high here, or a lower low rather. You can see the money flow index is moving up here. You can also notice the stock RSI is curled up. So it looks like we're getting a little bounce. This is bullish divergence on the money flow index here. If we look at the Heikin-Ashi candles, Heikin-Ashi just started printing green, so it's starting to trend back to the upside. So with that said, what to watch for? So ACH, like I said, could technically get up to 6, and on the macro scale still be bearish and come back down. But here on the smaller time frame, we really need to get over 3. We've been looking at 3 ever since we lost that support back here in May. So that is still our big price to beat on ACH. ACH can technically come all the way up to 3 cents and still fall off the table here, which it may not even get that high because you can see we do have this downtrend now in play here. All of our moving averages are crossing bearish, the 21 below the 200, the 50 below the 100, and they're all moving down. So this is just going to continue to drive the price in this downtrend to the downside, of course. So we could be in store for about a 50% move from where we are right now if we can get back over 2.2. But remember, 2.2 is going to be a tough price to get back over. You can see you're going to end up meeting your 21-day EMA there. So we may end up doing something like this, bouncing around our moving averages, trying to get over the downtrend. May wick up to the 3 cent level. That remains to be seen. But until we get over 3, we are still bearish on ACH here. And then we can end up doing something like this and just continuing our downtrend. So as long as we're under 3 cents as of now, you're still extremely bearish in my opinion on ACH here. So let's get this line out of the way. So that's what I would watch for there. And like I said, you could technically go up from where you are right now. If we had some massive green candles spawn in, you're looking at about a 53, we'll say a 50% move. You could still technically move up 50% on ACH and still be technically bearish in this downtrend here. The reason I say that is if we draw a fib from this most recent high here where this downtrend starts for us to the most recent low we put in, you can see a high to the low 618 retracement takes us right to this 1272, right on that 3 penny level. So ACH needs to get over 3 pennies. That's the big price to beat here in the near future. So yeah, we'll leave it at that on ACH. As of now, it's got some momentum, but like I said, you do have a lot of resistance at 2.2. And anywhere in between 2.2 and the downtrend in 3 cents, there's a lot of resistance here. So a lot of spots to get stuck and a lot of places to get pushed back down. But, just kind of watch those prices there. And on the downside, from where we are right now, 1.7 really needs to hold. You take out 1.7, then I would imagine you're just going to stair step down to all these different price targets here. So your support from where you are right now is 1.7. And that is about a 13% drop. So just watch 1.7 to the downside. And like I said, though, we have momentum at the moment. So it looks like we're at least going to come up to here to 2.2. And we'll probably end up getting rejected there. So, yeah, without making this too long. So you have a potential to drop about 13% to 1.7. and you may jump about, we'll say about 12% to 2.2, and then that's going to be your heavy resistance area. But yeah, I'm expecting it to go up just a little bit, but ultimately downtrend, and we're just going to get pushed down. So until ACH gets over 3 cents, it's not bullish, and in the macro scale, until we get over 6, it's not macro bullish. So yeah, we will leave it at that for now on ACH. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day, and we will see you in the next one. Not financial advice. Peace out.